for teaching the ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. We can now read simple books and count all the way to 100. We learn to write our names, even how to use scissors. Thank you for being so patient and kind. You taught us important values like kindness, sharing, empathy, importance of respect, and so on. Also, I am grateful to my friends for supporting me throughout my kindergarten journey. Thank you for helping us learn and play together. We learned so much from each other this year. I love you all. Finally, in behalf of kindergarten completers,